friends, welcome back to Make Life Easier with AI, the place where we explore how AI tools can help you get more done, stress less, and maybe even enjoy life a little more in the process. If you're a student, whether you're in high school, college, grad school, or just learning independently, this video is your cheat sheet for leveling up with AI. No more all-nighters fueled by questionable coffee. We're talking about tools that can help you write essays faster, ace those exams, and manage your time like a boss. Get ready to say goodbye to study burnout and hello to a whole new world of academic awesomeness. Class is officially in session. Let's go. Here are 10 of the most useful AI tools for students, along with a bonus extra at the end. Okay, tool number 1. Let's start with the most obvious AI tool, ChatGPT. You know, the one everyone's been using lately? It's like having a study partner who's always around when you need help. No scheduling, no pressure. ChatGPT is great for simplifying complex topics. So if something isn't clicking, it can explain it in a way that actually makes sense. It's like having a translator for your brain. And wait, there's more. ChatGPT can generate quick summaries of long articles. Take a look. It can quickly summarize long research papers, so you get the key points without spending hours reading through everything. It can even generate personalized flashcards for you, saving you the time you'd usually spend writing them out by hand, so you can focus on actually studying instead. Imagine that! Need help preparing for an exam? You can have ChatGPT quiz you. Seriously, it's like having a personal tutor on demand, and it doesn't mind your 2 a.m. questions. Struggling to start an essay? Ask it to generate an outline or give you some ideas to get those creative juices flowing. Now I know what you're thinking. Can it just write my essay for me? And the answer is, it could, but a word of warning here. Don't do that. These tools are just to help you along the way, not do the work for you. That could land you in serious trouble, and it's really just not worth it. Okay, on to the second AI tool we're recommending, Notion AI. Notion is already amazing for managing class notes, assignments, and schedules. Like, if you're not using Notion, are you even a student in this century? But with AI built in, it gets even better. Let's say you're starting a new class or module. You can ask Notion AI to help you draft a class dashboard, complete with pages for lectures, assignments, and key dates. Just give it a simple prompt like, create a study dashboard for Biology 101, and it'll generate a clean, structured layout to get you started. You can also use it to summarize your class notes into bullet points or key takeaways, turn a messy brain dump into a clear plan or outline, draft study guides or revision pages based on your own notes or key concepts, generate writing prompts or essay outlines when you're stuck, or brainstorm project ideas or break assignments into manageable tasks. It's super helpful when you're starting from scratch and just want to get the structure down quickly, like a digital assistant who helps you skip the blank page phase. And the best part? All of this happens inside Notion, so everything stays organized in one place. Your notes, your tasks, and the AI-generated pages. It's like building your own custom study system with a bit of extra help on demand. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what Notion can do. Subscribe to see more videos showcasing this incredibly useful tool. Okay, third on the list, Grammarly's AI tools. Grammarly's been the go-to grammar checker for years, but now it also helps you generate and improve your writing with built-in AI. Because let's be real, sometimes our brains are so fried from studying that we forget how to form a coherent sentence. You can use Grammarly to rephrase awkward sentences that just don't sound right. Grammarly can also help you adjust the tone of an email. Because let's be honest, sometimes our emails to professors can sound a little too casual. Grammarly can help you sound more professional and less like you're texting your BFF. And if you're writing a cover letter or even a lab report introduction, Grammarly's AI helps you sound clear, confident, and professional without spending hours second-guessing your words. It's like having a personal editor on call 24/7. Useful AI tool number 4, Perplexity, your research assistant extraordinaire. Think of it as ChatGPT with receipts. You ask a question, and it gives you an answer with actual citations so you know where the info comes from. You can use Perplexity AI to compare perspectives on a topic, because who wants to read a bunch of articles that all say the same thing? You can get up-to-date data because nothing screams unprepared like citing information from the Stone Age. And you can even find supporting studies to back up your arguments. Perplexity AI is especially useful when you're overwhelmed and don't know where to start digging. Student helper number 5, Goblin Tools. It's a lifesaver if you struggle with executive function. Whether you have ADHD, you're neurodivergent, or you're just dealing with mental overload, this tool is for you. You can type in something like "write my history paper." Goblin Tools will break that daunting task into smaller, manageable steps like choose a topic, research, create outline, and so on. It's like taking a giant, scary monster and turning it into a bunch of cute, manageable kittens. Goblin Tools also estimates how long each step will take because, let's be real, our perception of time is a little off. Perfect for when your brain is in overdrive, Goblin Tools is like having a personal life coach, cheerleader, and taskmaster all rolled into one. Honestly, this is such a useful AI tool for any large project. Tool number 6, Canva's AI features. If you ever have to make a presentation, poster, or any kind of visual project, Canva's magic tools are a lifesaver. Because let's be honest, not all of us are design wizards. You can tell Canva to create a presentation on climate change for high school students, and it'll generate a full slide deck for you. Images, design, text, and all. It's like having a personal design team at your beck and call. Canva's Magic Write can also help you script out your talking points, captions, or even content for group projects. And if you're in a creative field, Canva's AI features are also great for personal branding or portfolios. It's been so incredibly helpful for those of us who are creatively challenged. 7th, let's talk about AudioPen. This is perfect for students who think better by speaking, or who get stuck trying to write things down. You can record a voice note, like your ideas for an essay, a study explanation, or even a project pitch. An AudioPen will clean it up into clear, structured text. It's like having a personal transcriber who can keep up with your lightning-fast thoughts. AudioPen takes your messy brain dumps and turns them into something you can actually use. It's like taking a tangled ball of yarn and turning it into a beautifully knitted sweater. Great for planning essays or even organizing your thoughts before a class discussion. Tool number 8 is Otter.ai, a super useful tool for recording and transcribing lectures, meetings, or study groups. All you have to do is hit record on your phone or laptop, and it will transcribe what's being said in real time, including labeling who's speaking if there are multiple people. After the session, you get a full searchable transcript plus a summary of the key points. So if your professor talks fast or you zone out for a second, you can just go back later, search a keyword, and jump to that exact part of the recording. It's also great for group projects. Just record your brainstorming session and have everything saved, organized, and easy to revisit. Otter.ai helps you keep everyone on the same page. A 9th on our list is Wolfram Alpha. If you're in a math or science-heavy course, this is your new best friend. You can enter equations, word problems, or formulas and get not just the answer, but a full breakdown of the steps. Wolfram Alpha is amazing for calculus, physics, chemistry, stats, anything that involves problem solving. If you're stuck on a homework question and need to understand why the answer is what it is, this tool is a lifesaver. And rounding out the top 10, Reclaim AI. This one helps with time management, which, let's be real, is half the battle as a student. It connects with your calendar and automatically schedules time blocks for your tasks, whether it's studying for a test, writing a paper, or just eating lunch. Reclaim AI even adapts in real time if something changes in your schedule. Meetings get moved, classes get canceled, and sometimes we just need a mental health day. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps your day balanced and productive. Okay, bonus time. We had to sneak in one more AI-driven tool that students need to check out. Elicit. This tool helps you do academic research faster. You enter a research question, and Elicit finds relevant academic papers, summarizes the main points, and even shows where different authors agree or disagree. It's a huge time saver when you're writing essays or doing projects that require real academic sources. Think of it as your behind-the-scenes research assistant. And that's a wrap. Those are some of the top AI tools that can seriously make your life easier as a student. Let us know in the comments which tools you're already using, or which one you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow student who could use a productivity glow-up. Catch you in the next one.